Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log into your Fluton account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser in your default search engine. Then search Fluton Bank Login. Then go to Fluton Bank or directly go to www.flutonbank.com. It will then take you to the official website of Fluton Bank. Then click to log in from the top right corner. Then select our service. Click to online banking. Then enter your username. Then enter your password. Then click to secure login. Then you should be able to access your Fluton Bank account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.